So here at Blizzard Beach, we have a handicap gondolas that allow the disabled to ride up and be able to actually ride the ride and go down the water slides here. And well, this is what they look like. There's only one looks like that's actually on the lift. And when you get to the top, then I actually stop it and bring a ramp to it and allow the wheelchair to get off. And the wheelchairs they use are actually PVC. They're PVC and mesh. So that, yeah, they'll get wet. You got it, John? I got it. Join the car on the top. There goes the wheelchair down the water slide.